from all 5 cars here. This is going to be a squeeze going into corner 1, but it's Johan Kristoffersson that goes for the early line. Timmy Hansen comes around the outside.
Clara Anderson had a mega start but couldn't quite find her way through on the inside of Kristoffersson. Did get up the inside of Kevin Hansen.
You've called it perfectly, Hal. This is a potential nightmare for Kevin Hansen. Only the first 3 go through to the final, and Kevin is down in 4th here. He really needs to find some pace.
Anderson Jokers, this is to cover off a risky strategy from the CE dealer team, because if they come out behind Arlene Kotelinski, she doesn't.
And here we go, 5th and final lap. And let's watch it very carefully. Both the Hansen brothers need to joker here. There's Johan Kristoffersson looking to come around the outside. Watch for Timmy Hansen as he won the semi-final to take a position. Kristoffersson around the outside to finish ahead of Timmy Hansen. Clara Anderson is 3rd. Nightmare for Kevin Hansen in 4th. And Gronholm, who's been fast on the launch all weekend, looks to have got the position here. Baby's on the outside of the Finnish driver. He holds that line through corner 1. It is Gronholm out in front. Baby 2nd, O'Donovan 3rd. It's Timo Scheider that needs to find some pace and position here.
As Baby and Scheider joker at this first opportunity, but Gronholm really had to cover off the inside there. Started from pole, ran the nose a bit deep just to ensure that he took the position. Joker merge, O'Donovan ahead of Baby.
The 2 leaders go into the joker. Now let's watch carefully here. Coming around the outside is Baby, then Timo Scheider. Gronholm has got the better of the Norwegian. O'Donovan just holds 3rd position. Timo Scheider is in 4th. Green for go. A better launch from Johan Kristoffersson. Looking to see off Gronholm as they dive into position in corner 1.
Everybody runs wide in the first corner on this watered circuit. Kristoffersson out in front. Gronholm sent the CE dealer team machine in turn 1, has lost out badly. Patrick O'Donovan up the inside of Clara Anderson into 3rd.
This could be a fairy tale finale to Johan Kristoffersson. He's looking to sign off the way he signed in right at the beginning of this season. He's absolutely flying. The pressure is off and the skills are down. The ruts and bumps are getting deeper and tougher. The drivers picking their way through, trying to keep those cars running to the end of lap 5.
O'Donovan's in the joker. This is to try and cover off his Hansen Motorsport teammate Timmy Hansen. He did a mega joker in Q3 and the semi-final. Patrick O'Donovan gets the traction, gets out ahead of Timmy Hansen. He remains in a podium position.
This is brilliant news for the British fans as the 19-year-old British champion Patrick O'Donovan holds 3rd position and he's ahead of the 2019 champion Timmy Hansen. We focus in on Johan Kristoffersson looking for his 40th win here.
4.1 seconds the gap. Kristoffersson is absolutely disappearing into the distance. He hasn't had the run of form this weekend. He hasn't got out front, but he is laying down a massive marker as to why he's a 6-time world champion.
Into the joker lap goes Johan Kristoffersson. This is what it's all about. 6 times FIA World Rallycross champion, and he wins the finale, and he wins it in style. Magical from Johan Kristoffersson. Baby 2nd. O'Donovan looks to hold on for 3rd. Timmy Hansen 4. Gronholm 5.